Hey y'all, this is Tiffany with Mercedes-Benz of Columbus. I know that most of you are disappointed since we haven't been able to do a grand opening yet. So because of everything that's going on, we want to ensure your safety and we really want to show you guys the building. So what we're going to do is a virtual tour of the dealership, and what you can do is comment on this video if there's any other areas of the store that you would like to see. But I really want to show off all of the finishes and everything we've been working really hard on for the past year and a half. So come on, let's go. So as you can see, we have all new lighting in the showroom. Something new for this year that Mercedes-Benz is doing is electric vehicles. So coming up in early 2021, you'll actually be able to see some of the new models that Mercedes-Benz has that will be utilizing this charging station. We also went through our offices. These are our sales offices. We went through and we redid all of the flooring, painted the walls, new lighting, and new furniture. As we continue through the showroom, you'll see that we have a single color floor. Over here, you'll see we have an all-new receptionist desk area, and we have this beautiful black wall with the Mercedes-Benz symbol. And now you can also see that we carried the ceiling through this area of the showroom. If you remember before, but we actually had this dreary, dark gray patterned carpet. Now we have this beautiful tile floor. An additional customer sitting area is actually our quiet space, so you can plug your phone in, plug your computer in, anything that you need to do to sit here and work while you're waiting on your car to be serviced, or if you're in the process of purchasing a vehicle. Now, this is our brand new parts boutique. And last but not least, we have a brand new service department. You'll also see our brand new service drive. We redid all of the floors. We have new fans. We painted and put up artwork throughout. This is our all-new sprinter alignment machine. So when you bring your vehicle in, we have actually two alignment machines. We have one that's specifically for the commercial vehicles, so we can service all of your sprinter needs. We have one that's specific for Mercedes-Benz, the smaller vehicles, passenger cars, and light trucks. So as you can see, we have all of our sprinter vans displayed right here. Else you'll notice is our brand new signage. So right behind me we have our brand new name badge sign. If you can remember, before it was actually blue with the white acrylic, and now we have the white acrylic on the black background, and it looks very, very nice at night. Also, something you'll notice, we have our charging station. So we're really excited about these coming next year, so be sure to be on the lookout for videos and information from us about the new EQ. For those of you who may or may not know, we actually are a certified AMG dealer, which is the Mercedes-Benz top-of-the-line performance vehicle. And if you look right here, we have black ACM panel, and this carries up all the way to the roof where you'll see our brand new star. You can also see that we have a brand new entryway. So what we did was we had two gates right here. We took those out. We took out the center island and we replaced it with this wonderful brick. So that's it. That's the tour of our brand new facility. We're so excited to be able to share this with you. As you can see, our new sign, our new building, we're excited. We appreciate your business. We look forward to your next visit here at Mercedes-Benz of Columbus.